I am Mike Ekenta. I am a director of photography. A director of photograph. Some people call it DOP, but it's the real pronunciation is DP. And a director of photograph is somebody who directs his picture, his shots in a movie. He is not a director, but he directs the picture that you see that comes out on air. That is the job.
Okay.
Yeah, I've shot films like Unpredictable. What's the name? There is this particular Treasure Hunt. These two movies. Let me just mention these two precisely because there are too many. If I start mentioning them, I will take your time. Yes, for you to be a DOP, you must pass through a very serious and normal training, not just anyhow training. Because when I say a DOP, it does not just mean it's not just a cameraman. We have cameramen and we have directors of photography. These are two different things people must know. Okay. So for you to go through this, you must know your camera very well. You must know a weather climate. You must know the angle your cameras are supposed to be to get a proper shot that will make people, when they see your picture on screen, your picture looks very clean and it attracts, because movie is a very movie, they say, is larger than life. So what we do in movies is to make people see it as if it is true, but it is not true. So that is why I say it's larger than life. Yes, one thing is, if you want to be a director of photograph, one, you must be a creative person. You must be somebody that uses his brain very well. You must know your camera very well. You must know your camera angles. You must know that if your director is not on set, there are one or two things you do. If you are a very good director of photography, your director can leave your set for you and you will direct the shots for him because you know you are capable of it. So whatever I would like to tell anybody here is, please, if you want to be a director of photography, be focused. Use your brain. Use the thing you have and make your production in which you are and you shot or you directed the picture to be good, clean and sound. Then you start having the minds of people. That is my advice. Quite precisely, it's been long. If I start counting, I might not precisely tell you, but I know it's over 15 years. Sorry, do I say 15, 10, 15, 9, thereabout. Really, it was not easy when I started. I passed through hell. Then, when I started, film has not been too elaborate in the country. So sometimes we contribute to producers, directors, although that was not my primary was acting before I switched over into the technical and started as a director of photography, because it's a course I read. I read it, at least I spent 5 years. I did my CTA 1 year and I did the rest, the main course, for 4 years. So I will also advise people, if you know you want to do this job and do it well, you go and learn it. It's going to help you. No, it's not compulsory, but if you are, it will make you much elaborate. You will be your thinking will be much elaborate. But when you learn from the roadside, you will shoot like a roadside person. But if you learn from a professional, then you will be a professional. That is it. It's not a compulsory that you must be a graduate for you to be a director of photography, but you must pass through the professional level and training. If possible, you go to the film college. It's going to help you more. I schooled, I experienced, I was taught by a white man. So that's why I'm saying I've gone through many training and I've passed through many people. that is how I got mine. I was trained by a white. I went to school. I was taught by some professionals that made me what I am today. Most especially the white man that taught me how to handle camera. A DOP is a director of photograph. That means you can direct a cameraman. But a cameraman is somebody that carries the camera, goes to shoot. Also, you can call a cameraman when it comes professionally. We have cameramen, the people that carries the camera, set it, and the director of photograph will come and tell you, set it this way, give me this picture. When he checks the weather is not good and the picture is not good, he will tell the director of the film, director sir, I'm not okay with this picture. Why? The weather is not good for this shot. And the director can call off the shoot. Professionally, that is how it is. I believe my favorite is any of my film that comes out very good. And I know that all my films are good, so I believe that they are all my favorite. But I like taking risk. I like challenges. And I've done so many jobs that are challenging. And if I do a challenging job, to the best of my knowledge, I can say it's my favorite.
Okay.